I'm going to be microwaving this egg. And supposedly, it's going to do something bad or blow up. I'm going to put it in for 20 seconds 5 times, and then put it in for 10 seconds 1 time. If it doesn't blow up by then, I'm going to cut it. Hopefully it explodes. Be funny. You can actually see that the yolk inside is turning a weirdish color and the egg's getting wet on the outside. About 20 seconds. This is gonna be bad. I don't want to be near this thing when it blows up, because last night I did the same thing. I almost cut. Oh God. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's making some pretty weird noises. Oh, fuck. Dude. This is what's left of the egg. Just exploded. That's how bad everything is. I mean, look at the inside of the microwave. There's like red shit on the ceiling, all over the door, on the plate.